How to fix missing features on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll go through the steps on how you can fix missing features on TikTok. Well, if certain features is missing on your TikTok, what you will have to make sure is that that feature is available in your region. Now, some features might not be available in all the regions, or it might be restricted in some regions, so you want to check out for that. However, what you can do is you can use VPN to access it. If it is the blocked region, then what you can do is you can simply head over to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device and search in for VPN, and you can use VPN to access services from or features from different regions by switching to those areas, right? Now, the other reason it might just be that you haven't updated to the latest version. Make sure you're updated to the latest version. And also, if you're on Android, you can try and clear the app cache and data. Similarly, on iPhone, you can try and upload the app itself, but that will remove all your accounts and databases, so I won't recommend you to do so. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.